I'm Andy with the San Juan Soil and Water Conservation District. Over the next few minutes, we're going to use the Rolling Rivers trailer here to talk about habitats and environments, particularly like those found here in northwest New Mexico. A habitat is simply a place where a living thing makes its home and has everything it needs to survive. For an animal, this means a place with adequate food, water, shelter, and space. Similarly, for plants, this means a place with the correct balance of soil, water, air, and light. An environment is an area where organisms that require similar habitats can be found living together and encompasses all living and non-living things and processes in that area. Here in northwest New Mexico, two of the most common environments that we're familiar with are the high desert and riparian environments. Our arid to semi-arid high desert environment is characterized by windy and dry spring weather, hot and dry summer weather, monsoon fall weather, and cold and mostly dry winter weather. Our average annual rainfall is less than 10 inches, typically around 7 to 8 inches. The high desert environment is populated with juniper, pinyon, sagebrush, and grasses, and a variety of drought-tolerant desert plants such as yucca and cactuses. A riparian environment is an area alongside a river, stream, lake, or body of water that is directly influenced by the nearby water. This can be recognized by the green corridor of plants growing along a valley floor, typically spreading about 50 to 250 feet from the edge of the water source. The riparian area supports vegetation that requires more moisture than is provided by natural precipitation, as the groundwater is so close to the surface, whereas in areas further away from the riparian area, the groundwater is much deeper and harder for plants to access. Because riparian environments have more water, food, and shelter, it is an excellent habitat for a wide diversity of plants and animals. While riparian areas make up less than 1% of the New Mexico landscape, 90% of our plant and animal species live in riparian environments. Even 90% of the human population lives in or nearby a riparian environment. Riparian areas slow the flow of water, trap and filter sediments and pollution, and provide stream bank stability. The roots from trees, shrubs, and grasses hold the soil and riverbank in place and reduce erosion. It is important to recognize that habitats can change over time. Invasive species can displace native species. Climatic changes can alter the temperature and precipitation and influence local weather patterns. Construction and land use by people can change the availability of food, water, shelter, and space available for plants and animals. As habitats change, the organisms living in those habitats will need to either adapt or move to a new habitat in order to survive. So next time you are outdoors, think about the different environments that you travel through or live in, and the food, water, and shelter provided by those habitats. How accessible are those resources for plants and animals also trying to survive? Is there anything that can be done to conserve the soil, water, and other precious resources that we all need to survive? And to ensure that plants, animals, and humans can all survive together in our high desert and riparian environments. Thank you for watching the San Juan Soil and Water Conservation District's Rolling River Trailer video on habitats and environments. For more information, including educational lessons and curriculum, or to contact us, or to learn more about how you can conserve soil, water, and the other precious resources that we all need to thrive, visit our website at sanjuanswcd.com. Be sure to check out our other videos, and post any comments or questions below. Thank you for watching, and we hope to hear from you.